because Flapjack is used to being.
Now everybody sing that shit.
Classy. What's up, y'all? It's your girl TayPancakes, aka Taylor Stevens, aka Tay. I asked y'all to vote in the community tab what color y'all thought I was gonna dye it. Y'all already read the title before you clicked it, so you know what's going on. We're going magenta. Ooh. Let's get started. Oh my god, shrinkage. It's a complete kit, which means it includes bleach and it includes the color. As y'all know, the tips of my hair are already bleached. I'm nervous, but I've already anticipated the ends of my hair falling out. I'm gonna pick out my hair first because I want the product to be able to get up in there. And if I'm being honest, I haven't really been doing nothing with my hair, so it's kind of mad. Give me a second. And I am going to brush through my hair. Try not to brush my scalp because I don't want it to be sensitive to the dye. Yes, sound like an apple crunching. I have tried a lot of colors. I have tried blue. I have tried blonde. I have tried green, yellow. I have tried a lot of hair colors, but I ain't never did it. So it's a new experience. So let's get started. Oh, they give you gloves, but I got my own gloves. I want my own stuff. They give you some lightening powder, the 20 volume developer, not too high, a thing to mix it in, gloves, which I think I'm gonna use my own gloves, and the magenta hair dye. Oh, and they give you a little stir. That's what I'm talking about. Y'all are helpful. Put on gloves, pour the thing, mix it up, yep. Container. Where do I open this at? Why wouldn't they give me like a pre-cut open? So we have scissors and we're gonna cut it open. I feel like I'm doing a science experiment. Then you put your 20 volume developer in here. Pour. You know, here's my question. I know that this is gonna be enough for my hair, right? Hear me out. But what about people with a full head of hair? Because I'm bald headed. So, and I know I might use this whole thing. So what is there to do if it's supposed to do a full head of hair? Like, whose hair is this supposed to do? Mine, that's it. What is that? Yo, I saw something. What is this? Oh, that's embarrassing. Y'all, look at that. You know what that is? That's the dang freshener packet. Why would they put a freshener packet in bleach powder? I thought it was a bug or something. All right, so now we just apply. Only thing I don't like about dyeing my hair now that it's short is you can't really section it. You gotta kind of just go for it. I wonder what it would be like to be like actually bald. And the smell of these fumes are giving me a headache. First rule of at-home bleaching, get yourself a bleach shirt, because if I cared about this shirt, I'd be pissed because I just spilled all types of stuff on my shirt. Oh my God. Okay, so I have completely saturated my hair. It's looking, how long am I supposed to leave it on? Oh my God. I'm supposed to leave it on for, they're not telling me. 20 minutes. That seemed like a long time. I don't think I need it on that long. Okay. I think it looked, how light should I get it? Why is it red? My hair is red. I don't have dye in my head from any other time, so yes, I'm quite confused, but here we are. Let me check the time. Let me set up my station to dye it pink. They're telling me to use their sulfate-free shampoo, but y'all didn't include it in the box. Y'all didn't include it in the box. So you can't tell me to use your sulfate-free shampoo when I get home. Because it don't say that on the box. It don't say like, we suggest you get a sulfate-free shampoo. Y'all don't say that. Y'all wait for me to open the box, read it, and y'all tell me that. So therefore, you're not getting no more money. Y'all should have been like, hey. Or you could be like perm boxes and just give me a little small little packet of it. And I could have tried it and been like, oh, I love it. But y'all lost. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this out before my hair fall out. But this is what she looking like. This is what she looking like. Okay, so the tips are clearly white because they were blonde before. They're probably going to fall out. Actually, they feel pretty sturdy. God dang. Make sure my hair don't bleed. But it says I should let my hair dry. It's patchy in the back. I expected it. It looks like my roots are a little dark, but I'm okay with that. It's fine. We in quarantine and I really don't care. Aw, I kind of matched my towel. I like it. So I'm gonna go let my hair dry and we gonna run it back when it's time to put the magenta in there. BRB. My hair is pretty dry. It's dry. It's dry. So we're gonna crack open the Sparks Magenta. What is that? What is stain my sink? I'm gonna be sad if it stained my sink. So we're gonna take this out. We're gonna pop it open. And here, satisfying. Satisfying. For now, that's all I'm putting here. If I need more later, I'll get more. Look, I'm already making a mess, and that is why we put down a towel, people. This smells like cologne. It really smells like cologne. That is insane. I've never had hair that smells like this. This is interesting. Yeah, get into it. I really hope this come out cute. I've never had pink hair, and I'm acting like I can't just put a wig on, but I still am hoping for some cuteness. You feel me? You know what's funny? I don't know if I'm using too much product or what. As much dye as I need to cover my head, like, if somebody has long hair, like, I think you need like 3 of these packs. Unless I just got thick hair. Because I'm bald head skittle diddle and oh my god, my hair is pink. Like, I'm really freaking pink. All right, so I think I have every spot in my head. I think I got it all. I pray I got it all. I'm gonna go sit here for 20 minutes again. Probably eat and then come back. Okay, so it ended up staying on for more than 20 minutes. It was more like 45 to an hour. But that's because I ate and all that stuff. But it's taking pretty well. So this is my hair before I put any product in it. Yup. Inches. I am so happy I'm not leaving this house during quarantine. So I'm gonna just go for it. What is this curl definer stuff supposed to do? It's like runny. This looks inappropriate. I'm about to just put some goddamn gel in my head, regular gel. What the hell is this stuff? This hair color is not coming off of my hands at all. Oh, it's permanent. I feel like a whole brand new bitch bustin'. Bitch, I'm bustin'. Bitch, I'm bustin' like a whole brand new bitch bustin'. Bitch, I'm bustin'. Talented and gifted. I guess I take what I feel like a whole brand new bitch bustin'. I'm busting. Oh, I see the bleach works because it bleached my shirt. This is my hair. I put on some lashes and some eyebrows. Like it. Honey, I love it. I had to cut. Here goes some pieces of hair I cut off. I had to cut some ends off because they were straight. See? Bone straight. But I love it. Oh my gosh. I didn't really know how I felt at first, but once I put on the eyelashes and the eyebrows, it was like, ooh, look cute, you look pretty. The color that I used, in case y'all want to go grab y'all some, it's a complete package, so I don't know, I don't have a link. I tried to look for it on Amazon and I couldn't find it because y'all know I always give y'all the link. The Sparks Magenta Mania, and it's permanent, so warning, found that out. It's permanent. When I read the box, I didn't know it at first, so I guess maybe it's stuck like this. I don't know, but I like it. And I would say comment what color you think I should do next, but I'm keeping this for a minute. I might even when the roots grow out, re-dye it. Even with, I know, okay, so spots in the back that are kind of messed up, but we're not looking at that. We're just looking at the front. And I like it. I like it. That's all for this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell. If you're new here, thank you for watching. I hope you stay. Oh my gosh, and guess what? Flapjack has a sibling in the baby section, so I hope somebody's baby didn't want this. This was the last one. She is so cute. So, you know, they've been having some tension ever since I got both of them, because Flapjack is used to being the only one in the family. So you know how that go. But she is cute. Since I named Flapjack, y'all can name this one. So comment some names, and the most liked name in the comment section is gonna be her name. Sorry sis. So right now she's no name. We are family. Y'all can go. Like, comment, subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.
Why don't you get it by now? Tell me what you learned in grade school. Give it to me like you want it. Did you forget that golden rule?